Meet the 2010 Toyota Voxy XL Edition. Spacious, stylish, and ready for your family adventure. Built in Japan, designed for comfort and reliability. Seats for 8 make every journey together for family or friends. Japanese efficiency meets your daily life. Stay entertained on the road. CD, DVD, and Bluetooth keep everyone connected, whether it's road trip karaoke or a relaxing drive. Built in Japan and well maintained at just 94,000 kilometers, reliability and value you can trust. Sold out? No worries. We've got more. Discover your next car at Weins Toyota eSport.
Thank you for watching until the end. If you're interested in this vehicle, check out our other videos too.